Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to set the safety features on your LG TV. Alright, so as you can see here, this is your remote. What I'm going to do is to show you what to do is to use the TV lock along with the parental controls. Alright, so first thing you do is go to the menu screen. So go ahead and hit the settings or menu button. Alright, so you're going to go down to the padlock option that says safety. And you're going to go here. Alright, so in order to do this, you need to make sure that the feature is on. So you're going to go ahead and toggle the feature on. It's off by default. Alright, you can toggle it on. Alright, so once you toggle it on, it will ask you to set a password. So you can go ahead and set a password that's easy to remember, 4 digits. In this case, I've set 4 zeros. Once you finish, just go ahead and confirm the password. Alright, so once it's finished, you'll notice it's asking you to set the blocking hours. You can set all the way up to 7 hours. You can limit TV watching, 8 hours. The max is 12 hours, sorry. So you can set how long to set the blocking hours for. So for example, I could say 5 hours. You can notice as well, the options are now enabled once the password is set. And of course, if I want, I can block channels, so you can turn that on. You can do live TV. You can select by content type. Notice you can restrict like children age, so you can set your child's age. You can just enable categories such as fantasy and violence, so you can limit those. You can set your general age. You can filter based on sexual suggestive dialogue and adult language and so on. So it gives you a whole suite of options that you can use. You can even use the movie lock. With the movie lock, you can block based on PG rating, so you can go ahead and select your PG rating. And of course, if you do not want to use this feature anymore, it's simple. Go ahead here and turn the feature off. Again, it will ask you to enter the password. So of course, it's easy to enable or disable if you do not want to use the feature. Once enabling, again, you'd have to set up the password. Alright, so I use 4 zeros in this case, and of course I turn it off. And if you start again, you can set the password afresh. Alright, so that's how to use the lock feature, which is quite nice. You can block by channel. You can do a TV lock or movie lock. And the options are quite customizable to filter what your children are watching. And of course, it's a good feature to have, especially if your children are going to watch live TV. Alright, so I'm going to tutorial here. It's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.